back to another epic show of Smooth Sailing with Tanielle. On the show where I get to show you my cool, outrageous and awesome smoothie ideas. Our signature ingredient for today is the banana. Why? Because this is bananas. Here are a few of our ingredients. Can you just take that again? This echo bad here. How much more of this do I have to do? Welcome back. Come on. Right. Go. Hi and welcome back to yet another episode of Smooth Sailing with Tanielle, the show where I get to show you guys some of my cool and awesome smoothie ideas. Our signature drink for today is bananas. Here are our ingredients: raspberries, bananas, strawberries. So firstly, we'll be throwing in, just to make a mixture of color as it goes into our smooth operator, some strawberries as a lining. As we pop that in there, nicely cut. There we go. Jeez. Okay. And then some of these bananas into our smooth operator. Ooh, this is a bit messy. All these bananas. And last, our raspberries. As we plop them on top, we're going to add just a bit of water. There we go. Let's wipe that stickiness off. We just have normal plain water. We're just going to add a little bit of that into our smooth operator. We're going to pop the lid on and ready to smooth. We're leaving it to blend as there are still some banana bits on the top. This really is bananas. There we go. Just like that. All done. Perfect. Now that that's been smoothed, let's see how it tastes. Let's pop that open. Let's put it on our tray. Smells a lot like bananas, because this shit is bananas. Ooh, thick and creamy. That looks so awesome. That's real good.